is how you use the One2IA app. You're going to click on this link that you find here. I'll write it in the description. So you're going to, first thing you need to do is to make an account. So you have to log in and sign in with Google. The next thing you're going to do is to claim your credits. So you already have 50 credits, so you can check in so that you can get 50 more credits. Now for the next step is to create an AI generated video. So you are going to head over to this section which says AI videos, and you're going to describe the type of video that you'd like, and you're going to describe it here. So for the next step is you're going to press on enhance prompt. Now what this will do is to enhance what you have already written so that you can get a better image. So you just simply press on use it. Then you need to scroll down and select the aspect ratio that you'd like. So, and then you need to turn off this inspiration mode, as it will make an even adjustment to your video. And that is, you're not going to use 10 credits, and you already have 100 credits. So you're going to click on generate. So as you can see, it may take some time depending on the type you have chosen. So maybe you can choose this one in order to get to generate in a lower time frame. So for the next step now is to generate an AI video using an image. So you are going to head over to this image to video, and you're going to select your image. You're going to head over to this section and select your image, and you're just going to simply drag the image here. And now for the next step is you need to describe what you would like to see in the image do. So again, you're going to repeat what I had previously done. You're going to press on enhance prompt, and after some time, it will bring up suggestion that may enhance your video. So you can see this is what has been brought. You can press on use it, and you are just going to simply press on generate. So as you can see there, it's processing here. So for the next step is creating AI images. So you're going to head over to this section that says AI images, and you're going to describe the type of image that you'd like. So under this type of image that you like, you can select style palettes, the palette that you'd like. You can select the movie stills, logo mockup. So there are a wide range of options. So you're going to maybe describe over it thing. So you're going to press again on what we had previously agreed to enhance prompt, and you're going to use it. So it only costs you 2 credits to make, and then you can just simply press here on enhance the image. So for the next step now, so here is how you can get more credits. In order to get more credits to modify your videos, you're going to go to this detail section here, and then all you need to do is to like the picture or maybe dislike what you have created. And you can also find other videos in the website to like or dislike. And for the other step is to just simply publish this video, and you will have gained more credits. So that is a simple way on which you can use the 2.1 AI app. So I hope this helps you and you find this useful. So please subscribe if you found my content useful.